Sometimes you might want to recolor your image into something that matches your brand colors, and that could be a single color or a palette of colors. And Canva has a superb app called Image Recolor that can do that for you for free. So I have an image that I have also duplicated, and this is a cropped version, this is a full version. Doesn't matter however you want the image to be. Now I am trying to recolor this image into a specific brand color. It could be a single color or it could be multiple colors of palette. Here you might already have the palettes in your Canva account, or you could choose any other colors. Let us see how this changes with just a single color selected. I'll just click on recolor again after choosing the color, and you can see that this changes into this one. Now if I want to create a palette of a few more colors, and you can see how this works out. Let me add some other color. It's a random one. May not look great, but you can see the idea here. And this way you can match your brand palette colors with the image you have.